What's up? I just got a new MacBook Pro 14-inch with the M2 MAX chip. So literally just came in, still in the box. Let's cut this bad boy open and check it out.
3, 2, 1.
Wow, fancy packaging. 32 gigs, 1 terabyte SSD, 14-inch MacBook Pro with Apple M2 MAX chip. Wow, look at that. Oh man, instantly it's thicker than my current MacBook Pro. Wow, that's so cool. Laser engraved. MacBook Pro right there. The bumps are back. Look at that. Look at that, the bumps are back. Wow. Apple logo's bigger. MagSafe. Hallelujah. God, I miss MagSafe so much. I missed you, buddy. So this is actually my fifth MacBook. This will be my third Pro. My first two MacBooks were just regular MacBooks. Plastic ones back in the mid 2000s. So it was actually 06 was my first one. That's cool. USB-C to MagSafe adapter. The big brick should be what, 96? Yeah, 96 watt brick. Very nice. What do we got in here? A little booklet and a sticker. Apple sticker, come on, Apple sticker. Is it bad that I don't care about the books? I just care about, oh! Black Apple sticker for my garage fridge. Let's open up the new one. I have yet to crack this open, so here we go. Whoa. Oh yeah, look. Whoa! Did you hear that? What the? It's kind of stuck. There it goes. This magic moment. Look at that. The moment I've been waiting for.
3,
Wow, that's awesome. MagSafe. Ooh, the keyboard is different. It's a bit clickier than the old one. And, you know, this one's got the butterfly keyboard on it, and some people had some issues with it. Personally, I never had any issues with it. It was real easy to type with.
The main language. Press the return key.
Yes, mother. Yeah, that's it. Cool little notch at the top. I like it. Selector Wi-Fi. I gotta enter my Wi-Fi password and continue setting this bad boy up. Thank you so much for watching. If you're still watching at this point, stay tuned for more updates on the brand new 14-inch MacBook Pro M2 MAX. Peace.